Hi, I'm Kylie, and today I'm going to show you what 50 outfits I pack in my suitcase using just 15 items. I will be heading on a trip soon, hence this shirt, Take the Trip. This shirt is from Sense of Style. I think actually all of the clothes in my backpack or my suitcase are from Sense of Style, so I'll make sure to link those products below so that you can use the same packing list before you go on your next trip. Obviously, this is just a sample of all of the different outfits that you can create. So what I've actually got is just this pile right here, which is 3 pairs of pants, 3 short sleeve shirts, 3 long sleeve shirts, and 3 cardigans that you just saw me wear. And also a little skirt slip, a shawl, and a pair of leggings. And with these 15 items, all from Sense of Style, you can bring or create 50 different outfits to put in your suitcase. So yeah, go check them out and get yourself an awesome wardrobe on your next trip.